Hello everyone, I'm Francisco Isabel, and today I'll take you on a big journey through time as we explore the evolution of traditional media to new media.
Long before electricity and the internet, people already had ways to communicate and share stories. This was the pre-industrial age. They used cave paintings, clay tablets, papyrus scrolls, ancient books like codex, and even printed text using wood blocks. Next came the industrial age. Thanks to machine and steam power, communication started to speed up. Some inventions are the following: printing press, the London Gazette, typewriter and telephone, motion pictures, and lastly, punch cards. Then came the electronic age. This age made communication even faster with the help of electricity and electronic devices. Some of the key inventions were transistor radios and televisions, early computers, personal computers, and projectors. And finally, we entered the information age, the digital world we live in today. Thanks to the internet, people can now connect anytime, anywhere. Some examples of new media today include web browsers, social media like Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. So, what's the difference between traditional media and new media? Traditional media includes newspapers, radio, TV, and printed materials. It is one-way communication from sender to audience. New media uses digital platforms, social media, blogs, YouTube, and is interactive, allowing people to create, share, and respond instantly. But guess what? They are now connected. Most newspapers have websites, radio shows are now podcasts, and TV shows are streamed online. They complement each other in today's modern world.